Hello? Hello. I am always purchasing new nail products to try out, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little nail haul, so that is what is on the menu today. Let's get into it. I go through lint-free nail wipes like crazy, especially when I'm filming, and I recently ran out, so I ordered another 540 pack. They're also always scattered all over my desk, so I got this holder for them. I was eyeing the one that dispenses them automatically with the press of a button, but I settled on this one. It's clear, a bit cheaper, good enough for now. I'm just glad that my wipes have a designated spot on my desk. I've been into trying different press-on nails lately. Maybe it's because it's summertime and I just want to put them on and go. They're very convenient when I'm not in the mood to do gel X, so I picked up a simple, short, almond-shaped French kit by BTartbox from Amazon. I do have a little beef with this kit because the Amazon listing says that it comes with 32 glue-on nails. The box says 30 pieces, but in actuality, it only comes with 22 press-on nails, as well as a mini nail file, a wood stick, a tube of nail glue, and 2 sheets of adhesive tabs. The math is not mathing with this one, but whatever, I'll still use them. I got a pack of these cute sparkly pink plastic nail sticks. I bring these with me everywhere I go. They come in handy if I want to push back my cuticles as my nails grow out, to clean under my nails on the go if I need to open up my makeup compacts so I'm not using my nails and potentially breaking them, to crack open pop cans. I use them for a variety of different things. I also got a pack of plain wood nail sticks which serve the same purpose. They're just a bit softer and more gentle. I like to have the option. For example, when I remove my press-ons like I did in my last video, it's nice to use a wood stick to break the seal without damaging my natural nail. If you hear a crunching in the background, Louis is really enjoying his hay at the moment, so that's what that is. I ordered another pack of nail adhesive tabs. I can never have enough of these. They can be used to temporarily apply press-ons. They last a few days, but I like to use them to adhere nail tips to tip holders when I'm creating and practicing different designs, like so. The tips stick a lot better to the tip holders with adhesive tabs than they do with the putty that they normally come with. I also picked up some mini 80/100 grit buffing blocks. I really like to have more abrasive buffing blocks on hand to rough up the surface of my nails and tips. Sometimes they're a lot less cumbersome than using a nail file. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm being pretty rough buffing out this nail tip, and it is cemented in place with that adhesive tab. If I had secured it in place with the putty, it would have flown off by now. I ran out of my C&D nail surface cleanser, which is a staple in my nail kit, so I picked up another bottle of that. I just take the pump from my old bottle and put it into my new bottle, and I always keep my old bottles just in case I need them for something. This isn't a new purchase, but I wanted to share it anyway. It's just a slab of glass that I use as a mixing palette. It is very handy if I'm trying to color match something. This was from the time that I had to repair a puzzle piece that Louis chewed up. It was a lot easier to color match because I could perfectly see the puzzle piece through my glass slab. I also got these transparent post-it notes for times when I'm mixing product and I really don't feel like cleaning up. I also like to use them to mix my foundation and cream products. I just cannot be bothered to clean a palette sometimes. I just want to dispose of the mess. I am always on the hunt for a good pearly nail powder. This DND one did not disappoint. It is exactly what I was looking for. I already posted a short featuring these, but I found some clear albums to store my nail stickers. These come in a 2-pack. Such a great find. I really like DND gel polishes, so I went a little wild on their website recently and I added, I don't know, about 16 new shades to my collection. I don't have any good staple red shades outside of my OPI ones, so I was very excited to expand my collection. I'm also a sucker for a good base shade, so I got a bunch of sheer nudes and cool toned pinks. I'll let you enjoy this little swatch sesh, but for reference, I applied 3 coats of each shade. If you didn't catch my magnetic gel manicure video, you should check it out. But in that video, I mentioned that I like really sheer, smooth magnetic gel polishes that have a glass-like finish, so I'm always trying new ones. Well, I ordered a couple more off of Amazon, hoping that they were what I was looking for. And they were. They each come with a really good, strong magnet too, which was surprising because a lot of them don't. I also picked up this double-sided magnet from DND. I could tell it's really strong from just playing with it briefly here. My flash curing light crapped out on me, so I picked up a new one. This one is rechargeable and it's much more sleek and thin compared to my last one. It comes with a stand, which is handy if I want to use it to flash cure Gel-X tips, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1 as stated on the box. I picked up another bottle of my favorite Chiarosky cuticle oil. This is their rose scent, but it actually doesn't smell like roses at all to me. It has a much more sexy perfume scent. I can't quite describe it, but I love it. And last but not least, I picked up another bottle of the NYK1 nail glue because my last one dried out. Sometimes I just like having a brush-on option because the application is cleaner. This is a really good nail glue. Prep is everything, but this is a good one. And that completes my little nail supply haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Maybe I'll do these regularly because I'm always buying new products. As always, everything that I mentioned will be listed in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and staying subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Okay, love you, bye.